Hi everybody and welcome back to my backyard. Today I'm using a different camera. In fact, this is the Fimi Palm and I'm actually trying it before doing a review. So also let me know the audio and the video, how it is and everything. Because I noticed this really cool function and I wanted to try it for a video. In fact, today we are gonna test out these two antennas, one against each other. And this is the Super 8 antenna and this is the Zipp9 Moxon antenna. Basically this is an omni antenna and this is a directional antenna, and as Zex pointed out in my latest video, you are not supposed to use it like this because this is not a patch, but you're supposed to use it like this. This is the direction and this is the way you have to put it. So you should always read the instructions. In fact, in the instructions they tell you to put it like that, and I've not read them. So please read instructions before doing stuff. And eventually I decided to take this drone because it has the 868 MHz receiver on it. And the other drones I have the 915 MHz, but both the antennas are 868 as you can see. And in range mode they should perform a little bit better. Even this one, as you can see, it has the blue stripe, which is the 868 MHz. And the thing is, I was actually trying these antennas like this, like I always use them. And also this one, I was using it like this and pointing it at the drone. And I was noticing really poor range. And I was like, why is that? And also this one was outperforming this one and it didn't even make that much sense. And then I just tilted the radio like this and I got signal where I had 0 RSSI. And I was like, what the hell? And also this one, turn it is like this and it works amazing. So what I guess is, if you have the antenna on the drone horizontally, you should put your antenna on your radio vertically. I know this is maybe gibberish, but that's my empirical test and I will show you right now. It improves so much your link, and this is on range mode. I don't know how accurate range mode is, but really it's night and day difference. So let's check this out. First of all, we have the drone plugged in right there and we have our radio in range mode. As you can see, we are at 96 RSSI, which is really fine. And then we are gonna walk in that direction. And now you will see, of course, my body is blocking a lot of the signal. Remember, the range mode is really like 1 milliwatt, even less than 1 milliwatt. So, in fact, we did like 10 meters and RSSI is already critical because of my body. As you can see, if we point the right directions, our SSI gets better. But look at this. If I turn... Oh, the camera doesn't turn. If I turn the radio, 58. If I turn again, 30, 40. You see? It's a lot, much difference. And so, I just put my antenna like this, and boom. You see? 60. We were at 40 right here. So we can just back up and we should have the best range possible out of this.
Telemetry lost.
And we lost telemetry right here. We are like 30 meters from our drone. Yeah, basically the signal is lost right here. And now let's change the antenna on our radio. First let's turn off the radio, otherwise you're gonna fry the components inside. Then we just unscrew it and we put this new one in. And again it's 868 MHz. So all this setup is 868, it should work really good. And I have it like this because it's the best performing way. If I turn it, it drops. I don't know why. Anyway. We have the drone right there, and let's back up. And I feel like the RSSI is a lot higher than before already. 66. We're getting on the 50, no 60 still.
RSSI critical.
Getting some RSSI criticals already, that's weird.
RSSI critical.
And 0 now, wow. 36, still going. 22, but it looks like it's frozen.
RSSI critical.
24, come on. 22, 24. I don't understand if... Okay, 0.
Telemetry lost.
Let's wiggle it a bit. Never mind, it's still going right here.
RSSI
I just have to put it in a weird angle. But we have a little bit of SSI more, we can go a little bit further. 52, you see again? 22.
RSSI critical.
Come on. 0 again. I'm gonna give the benefit of the doubt and do like this.
Telemetry lost.
Lost it. But really, we made like 10 meters more with this. I had to wiggle it a bit, but that's something. And that's it for today. Basically, this Zipp9 antenna got like to 40 meters and the Super 8 got to like 30. And that's expected because this is a directional antenna. And also I wanted to point out, I know 10 meters difference is not that much, but it's like 25% increase in range. So if you scale it up to 1 watt, and actually this value transfers over 1 watt, I think you should. This thing, if this does like 10,000 meters, 10 kilometers, as this website says, this thing should do 12.5, which is 2.5 more kilometers than this, and it's a lot of increase in range. So if you are looking to squeeze out that extra range from your antenna, go for this one because it really improves your range. And if you're an expert in this field, please comment what you think about this video. Also, if you have some delucidation why this way doesn't work really good, and I have the antenna horizontal on my drone and this way works a lot better, please let me know. I think this test was really consistent because I didn't move the drone between tests. I used the same output power, the same radio, the same module, I just changed the antennas. And also I worked in the same path. There are not so many variables. And that's it for this video. I hope the camera quality is not bad at all. You can hear me well with the microphone. This is the integrated microphone and the Fimi Palm. And as always, you'll find all the links down in the description. Stay safe and happy flying!